Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, Daily Stock Analysis, an LLM-powered system that is revolutionizing how developers approach stock markets. It integrates multi-source market data and real-time news into a single, powerful decision dashboard. We'll explore how this project makes sophisticated, automated financial insights accessible to everyone, often at zero cost. Imagine if your daily stock research, all those hours sifting through data and news, could be completely automated. There's a project that does exactly that. It uses large language models to deliver a sophisticated financial analysis report right to you, and it's free. The project is called Daily Stock Analysis from developer ZhuLinsen. It's an LLM-powered system designed to automate stock analysis across multiple markets, from the US to China and Japan. The system gathers market data and real-time news, then generates a daily decision dashboard, and it's catching on in a big way. The project has already rocketed past 44,000 stars on GitHub, with over 500 new stars just in the last day. That kind of growth points to a massive surge in developer interest. For any individual investor, the daily grind is real. You're gathering data from multiple markets, analyzing news sentiment, and trying to produce consistent insights. It's time-consuming and incredibly complex. Before a tool like this, a developer might have to manually script data collection from different APIs and then try to stitch it all together. What makes this project stand out is its end-to-end automation. It doesn't just fetch data. It actually synthesizes quantitative metrics and qualitative news into one single, coherent report. It cuts through the information overload by turning raw data into a structured decision dashboard, complete with conclusions, risk warnings, and even potential catalysts. The project's design is built on two core ideas: accessibility and integration. The most clever feature is its zero-cost deployment. It uses GitHub Actions, a service for automating software workflows, as a serverless environment. This means it can run scheduled analysis tasks every day without the user ever needing to own or manage a server. The system is also highly modular. Think of it like Lego bricks. Users can easily swap out different components just by changing environment variables. You could plug in different large language models, like OpenAI's GPT, Google's Gemini, or even a local model. The same goes for data providers and news APIs. This pluggable design gives it great flexibility and helps avoid vendor lock-in. And finally, it includes an interactive agent for strategic questioning. This elevates the tool from a simple report generator to a conversational analysis partner. It can perform tasks and answer follow-up questions based on the strategies you define. So, who is this for in the real world? It's for anyone looking to supercharge their investment analysis with AI. An individual investor can use the GitHub Actions method to get automated daily summaries on their stocks with zero technical overhead. A quantitative analyst could run the system locally, using the web interface for deep dive analysis, backtesting, and interactive questioning. Small investment teams can use it to make sure every member gets a standardized, data-driven report each morning. For the main use case, the barrier to entry is incredibly low. The setup process only takes a few minutes, which makes this level of sophisticated analysis remarkably accessible. Looking at the community feedback, the response is overwhelmingly positive. Users love its practical ability to automate the tedious work of consolidating data and delivering actionable reports. The zero-cost deployment using GitHub Actions is a benefit that gets mentioned again and again. While there aren't many major negative reviews, some have raised a valid concern. The system relies heavily on external APIs, so a service disruption or hitting a rate limit could potentially stop the analysis workflow in its tracks. But despite its impressive features, this project isn't without risks. First, its dependency on so many third-party APIs creates a real operational vulnerability. If a key data source goes down, the quality of the report will suffer. Second, while it's free to get started, costs can add up. Heavy use of the agent feature or analyzing a large number of stocks can lead to escalating bills from LLM and premium search API calls. And there's a more subtle risk. Prompt injection. Malicious content found online could potentially manipulate the LLM's output, leading to biased or flat-out inaccurate financial conclusions. In the end, daily stock analysis represents a powerful shift in financial tools. It's not just another data script. It's a fully integrated and automated analysis pipeline. The bigger picture here is that this project democratizes access to sophisticated, AI-driven investment research. It's bringing capabilities that were once the exclusive domain of large financial institutions to everyone.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.